Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop apps opening on startup on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So with some applications, like things like, for example, Spotify and Discord and Steam, they can be set to open up automatically, but this can actually slow down your laptop or PC upon opening, and it does take a longer time to open. So to actually disable this, what you need to do is come down to the search bar down here, and then you want to type settings and click onto your settings app. So most of the apps you'll be able to disable on startup this way. There are a couple that you'll need to actually go into the application itself and into the app settings and disable it that way. But what you need to do from here is actually click onto apps when it comes onto this screen. And then if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you want to come down to the bottom and you want to click onto startup. So once you've clicked onto startup, this is a list of all the applications that actually start up when Windows 10 loads. So you can see there's quite a few different ones on here. And what you can do is just click on the toggle buttons here to turn that on or off. So the ones you have on are the ones that are going to start up automatically. And you can see some of them are actually measured to show how much of an impact it's having to your startup process for your computer. So some of them, for example, like this one, Microsoft OneDrive has low impact. This one says not measured, so it doesn't really know how that's impacting your startup times. But yeah, this is how you do it. So you can see like Spotify I've got to turn off. Steam I've got set to on, which means when I turn on my computer, Steam loads up automatically without me having to open it. You can do this for things like Google Chrome. If there's any apps that start up automatically, like I say, and they're not appearing under this list, what you'll need to do is actually go into the app itself, and under the settings there should be something similar to this where you can disable it upon startup. But that's how you do it anyway, so I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.